Welcome back to the Driveway Engineer, everybody. Today is a pretty big day. Daryl's back down in the driveway. I have a lot of work to do here because I really only get like I think it's like 2 weeks without it being registered, and then that asshole right there calls the city and I have to move it, so it has to be gone for 3 days and then it's like a reset. So today I'm going to hopefully get the transmission in, get my Tejas Steelworks cross member hooked up correctly. I need to get the holes drilled in it to mate the frame wherever it winds up being. I have some AN braided line to do my transmission lines. What else do I have? I have a tank to replace that tank with the correct 87 tank and sending unit with the baffle. I just ordered the other fittings that I need for these. I have my Chemso fuel pump roughly mounted in there. I have a ton of stuff to do. So vent windows, side windows, doors reassembled. I probably need to get new hinges. This one's drooping down. The Dorman pins that I used were never quite right. My front clip's all cattywampus. But yeah, I hopefully will get through all this stuff this week. Today's video is just going to be about the transmission install. So I'll bring you back when I have the truck jacked up and show you what we're going to do there. So we'll be back. So it's ready to go in. I guess I'm doing it for Dale because I got that kind of 8 number on my case. You can see the little plate that I made for my jack, and then I just ratchet strapped it on. Hopefully I can get it low enough to get under the truck because my jack doesn't go up any higher. But one way or another we'll get it figured out. We'll get it situated. I'll jam it in there and I'll bring you guys back when I have it sitting in. So hold tight. And that's going to be pretty much a wrap for the 4L80 install on Daryl. I took that fender off because it's easier for me to climb in there and look around and get to the top bolts. I kind of work that way. I would rather just pull the front clip off. So you can see my right angle lines, my Tejas mount. Yeah, my little Florida converter. All is well. Well is all. Dipsticks in. Pretty sure I didn't forget anything. Everything's wired up. We're good to go. As soon as I get the radiator hooked up and the radiator lines, I need to hook up the cooling lines for the transmission, and also hold on a second, let me get up here. So yeah, I'm gonna need to do radiator hoses, heater hoses, finish the other end of the transmission lines and the cooler, and then I can fire it and check for function. Again, these are Trailblazer SS exhaust manifolds. They clear the frame. Later on, throughout the course of the week, I'll work on the wiring and getting that tidied up a little bit. But that's pretty much it for this weekend, folks. So again, thanks for watching and tuning in. Be sure to check us out on Facebook on the Driveway Engineer Facebook group. And we'll see you next time.